Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs trade analysis video, where we're going to cover 3 of the trades we gave to our premium group members last week. Before we begin the video, I will post a link, if you're watching on YouTube, in the comment section, a pinned link to join our premium signals group if you are interested. If you're watching on Twitter, I will put it in the first reply below the original tweet. So the idea of this is that everybody can hopefully learn something from the trades and the different setups that we gave. I think we gave 6 or 7 trades last week. 1 of them hit loss, all of the rest hit in profit. So I'm going to show you 3 of the different types of reasons that we took the trade. Starting off here with AAVE. What I was looking at here was the hourly time frame. And I noticed that this hourly candle here had closed above this previous level, which we've seen act as resistance and support a number of times. We've got a clean bounce from it there as support on those couple of candles, but it's been resistance as well. There's kind of a support resistance flip, but I'd also notice this really long wick, and often when this happens, these wicks get filled. There's a lot of liquidity trapped up here, and this was like a massive move away, so it was an ideal place for me to look to take an entry on this candle close. And what I liked even better was when I ran the fib levels from this low here up to that high wick, it lined up, the retest of the old support resistance lined up perfectly with the 618 fib level. So looking for a move like this, back to target that wick again. And we can see how this played out. This came straight to our entry, bounced perfectly from like $104. This ended up making a massive move throughout the day, ended up doing like 24% without leverage from our entry. So a massive move, really great trade. Second trade I'm going to show you was the only one that hit stop loss. Actually, this was one of only 2 trades that hit stop loss in the group last month. What I was looking at here was the 4-hourly chart, and I gave the idea to take a long after this 4-hour candle close. The reason being was that it had reclaimed the Monday low, and so often we see the Monday range, so the Monday low and Monday high are key price points to watch. So we'd reclaim the Monday low and leaving behind this as kind of demand. So looking for another move back up towards the Monday high. Very similar to what we had seen the day before. We had a Monday low reclaim here, retest and move back up. So looking for the same thing to play out. Unfortunately, in this case, it didn't hold and it cut straight through. Went to our stop loss for around about a 2% stop, I believe. The stop loss was set just below this wick here, but we can see this did actually go below that. The third trade that I gave was on NEAR, and this is back on the hourly chart, and I noticed this hourly candle here closed above this key support resistance level. We can see the number of times that price has interacted over the previous week from this level. And then we fell below it here on Friday and failed to reclaim this retest. So was looking for a reclaim of that level. Once we closed above, I then took a long entry on that, on the retest there. We got a nice move on this. I think this hit our profit target too. So from there, we did a 2.5% move. This eventually did stop me break even after TP2. My stops were set to break even, so it was risk free. But we can see actually how this level once again played out. So we moved back below the entry. It was resistance for a few hours, moved back up, retested, and you could have took the same setup again actually for like another 5% move there. Hope you found this analysis useful, guys, and you learned something from it. And as I said, the link to our premium signals group, if you're interested in joining, will be posted below. Thanks for watching.